customer came in trying to save money, but he was making the exact mistake that keeps costing people more. He tells me, "I just want a simple beaker bong, nothing crazy." Then he adds, "My bong gets dirty way too fast, and I hate cleaning it." And right there, I already knew the problem. So I ask him, "Do you use an ash catcher?" He just looks at me like, "What's that?" And this is where it gets interesting. I explain it. Basically, it's a small attachment that catches all the ash and dirty stuff before it even hits your bong. So instead of cleaning your whole setup every time, you're just cleaning one small piece. And you could literally see it click in his head. He goes, "Wait, so my bong stays cleaner longer?" I'm like, "Yeah. And I don't have to clean it as much?" Exactly. And just like that, his whole mindset changed. He came in thinking only about price. Now he's thinking about convenience and how to actually make his life easier. He ends up upgrading his setup to a beaker with a percolator and adds the ash catcher on top. What was supposed to be a $30 purchase turned into $60, not because he wanted to spend more, but because he finally understood how to fix the real problem that had been bothering him all along. And honestly, this happens all the time. People don't mind paying more. They just don't know what they're missing yet. Even something as small as an ash catcher can completely change the experience without adding any extra work. It's a simple upgrade, but it solves the exact problem most people complain about. And that's the thing. Sometimes it's not about the price, it's about knowing what actually works. So next time you're looking for a new bong or thinking about your setup, think about what's going to make your life easier in the long run. Because spending a little more now could save you a lot of time and hassle later.